What to do after a car accident. 7 steps to stay safe, informed, and protected. You're driving along, everything seems fine, and suddenly, bam, you've just been in a car accident. Your heart is racing, your mind is spinning. So what do you do next? Let's walk through it step by step so you're prepared when it matters most. Step number 1, stay calm and check for injuries. The most important thing is to take a deep breath. Check yourself and your passengers. If anyone is hurt, call 911 right away. Safety first, always. Step number 2, get to a safe spot. If the accident is minor and your car can move, pull off to the side of the road. Turn on your hazard lights. If it's not safe to move the vehicle, stay inside with your seatbelt on and wait for help. Step number 3, call the police. Even if it seems like a small accident, call the police and file a report. You may need that report later for your insurance claim. Stick to the facts. Don't admit fault or place blame. Step number 4, exchange information. You'll need the other driver's full name and contact info, insurance company, and policy number, license plate number, make, model, and color of the vehicle. Also, take a photo of their driver's license and insurance card if they allow it. Step number 5, document the scene. Use your phone to take pictures of damage to all vehicles, license plates, the road, traffic signs, and skid marks. Any injuries. If there are witnesses nearby, ask for their names and contact information too. Step number 6, notify your insurance company. As soon as it's safe, call your insurance company or use your mobile app if they have one. Be honest and clear about what happened. They'll guide you on what to do next. Step number 7, follow up. If you filed a police report, get a copy. Stay in touch with your insurance company, and don't be afraid to ask questions if you're unsure about the process or repairs. Bonus tip, if you live in a no-fault state or in an area like Maryland, make sure you understand how your coverage works ahead of time. That way, you're not left guessing after an accident. Accidents are stressful, but being prepared makes all the difference. Need help reviewing your coverage or filing a claim? Contact Klinger Insurance Group at 301-428-4935. We're here to guide you through every step so you can get back on the road with confidence. Klinger Insurance Group, protecting what matters most.